As you, hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna. Here, basically, we are discussing about one topic, that is city creation. In city creation, we are discussing this basically 20,000 year basically. So whatever remaining basically is there basically that much, and there's creation basically converts into the animal basically. So I will take one example basically. Assume that basically how basically they are going to end the current generation basically. If they, for example, my generation was ended by some group basically. Assume basically just taking as an example, and they feel that basically ending by his generation basically, Sunil R. Nair's generation basically, it might create problem in universe basically. Just taking as an example basically. Reason, some group basically was watching Sunil R. Nair from universe basically. They tracked something and they basically done some marking, that is nishani basically in Sunil R. Nair's body basically. That was basically something basically which was in future basically earth planet is going to move, that time basically something was going to activate basically. That blood group also basically was not able to track basically. That type of marking basically was done, just taking as an example really. But really basically this was really basically there was nothing marking basically done by in my body parts. So just taking as an example, so something body somebody some from universe group basically marked something basically from inside my body parts, that whenever earth planet is going to move that side basically, and his generation will start or basically the end by the earth planet basically. If the earth planet basically ends the generation basically of that particular Sunil R. Nair, then basically it is going to create big issue, and that is the current earth planet generation end basically. Up to that level they have done the marking basically. So this is done basically. Now assume basically that something basically is if Sunilar generation basically gets create basically, that time basically the earth planet is going to move this side basically. If earth planet basically is Sunilar generation is ended by the earth planet, then basically earth planet have to move that side basically. That is the end of earth planet generation basically. So just see basically each and every human value basically the universe group has kept basically. That means one of the person told that basically if each and every blood cells basically doesn't each and every blood group basically, it's not possible that basically you can track the blood group basically. Machine basically is what is basically machine. One of the person told that what is machine basically which tracks the blood cells basically. Then they told that basically set of parameters are dumped into the database that basically are checked basically physically basically. That only basically that checks basically from the machine basically. If they basically exist, then it's okay basically, because else they never keeps basically. That else means other than basically existing blood cells basically, is anything exist basically or not exist basically. So that is basically the thing basically. So else basically are not kept basically. So like this basically also things basically are there. So that is basically total different topic basically. So that basically that's a doctor group basically. When we are not the doctor basically. So this is the thing basically. So list of tasks basically. Positive task, negative task basically. Positive task and negative task basically. To create this 1 month basically, to create this 1 month basically, these are the positive tasks and these are the negative tasks. For example, one person told that basically, यार ये लड़का तो मतलब बहुत फास्टिंग कर रहा है basically. So this comes into the positive task basically. Negative task means basically ये तो यार डॉन बन गया. Don Ben means he basically converted into himself as a Don basically. And he is basically killing the people basically. Through this, that basically, through bomb blast, this, that, basically, this, that's each and everything. Like this basically, this converts into the negative task basically. These groups are peace group. These groups are negative group basically, that is. But this group basically, when they comes into the picture basically, one of the person told that basically, when this group basically can't able to solve the problem basically, then only basically these groups come into the picture, because you can't ignore a single problem basically. It might possible that in future basically small problem converts into the big problem basically. That's why basically they gives 100%, and they basically also give 100% basically, because if this problem is not solved basically, then they have to solve the problem basically. Otherwise basically it might create into big disease basically, that is corona disease that is generated, and 50 crore people basically died. How many people died? 50 crore. So this basically is very dangerous line basically, that is positive and negative task basically. That is positive and negative task basically. So that is basically different thing basically. One of the person told that basically, this actually, what is this basically? One of the person told actually, what ये है क्या मतलब? 7 days basically they can give basically. That means is 7 days basically they can give that they have told, right basically. So 7 days contains what actually from this basically? This was actually very dangerous question basically. One of the person asked, because it's lots of people says that basically, lots of people say that basically in 7 days basically negative task and positive task dono both exist basically, but that is connecting to 7 days only basically. So one of the person told that this, to create 7 days basically negative task also basically exist. So what is that basically? So this was very dangerous question basically, why basically this exists and this also exists. So one of the person told that basically, one basically in this world basically 900 crore people basically are there, right? So all basically not basically comes into the peace side basically, negative side also basically are there basically. Reason, that might be the reason basically of the planet creation basically. Planet basically contains negative planet and positive planet both basically, but here the negative task basically can be positive for someone else basically. How basically? One person basically, that is cyber crime group basically, they picks the mafia group and basically assume that basically somebody is doing crime in the cyber world, they picks, that is positive task, that is actually positive task for that cyber cell group basically, but for that particular person basically it converted into negative task basically. That basically person is telling that basically it's a negative task for that particular person basically. So that positive task and negative task basically comes like this basically. So in universe also basically the negative planets are there and positive planets both basically there. So 90,000 year 1 month basically, that is given by the current generation basically, that is earth planet generation basically, that is the earth planet generation basically. So you can just imagine basically the things basically connecting basically. So this basically is clear basically, and this is connecting directly to the 1 month basically, and this is connecting directly to the 7 days also basically, directly connecting basically. One of the person told that basically, if you can't give 7 days basically, if you can't give 7 days basically, whatever target basically is decided by the Ram Ayodhya Mandir basically, then basically there is no meaning basically, because this has to increase basically. For that wise only basically the this everything is created basically. One of the person told directly basically, that was universe person basically, he directly told that basically, if you can't this much, you can't give this much basically, whatever target here basically I just taking as 7 days basically, but in real basically it might be anything basically, it can be anything basically, it can be anything basically. So in next video basically we are going to see this little bit more about this basically.